K. Namita. We are from Sri Chittam Maximum Memorial Government Degree College, Narayanpeta, accredited by the NAC, affiliated to Palamur University, Department of History. Title was the Tirupati of a Port under the guidance of G. Srinivas Sir. Student participated in project Nagama B. Shirisha Anuradha, Srikant, G. Sravasri, G. Shivani. And the next is abstract. As we know, India is a land of culture, traditions and ethics. The needs of people of our nation will be associated with the ethics and the divine aspects which we got as heritage for the ancestors. Here, life of our people association with the spiritual values. India has many places like symbolizes of the spiritual beliefs. Continue to be
Discussion about Kurmurti. Sri Kurmurti temple is one of the ancient temples in Telangana state. According to historical evidence, the temple was built around AD 1350. A Kurmurti temple is known as the Tirupati of Kur people. It is located in Magna district with great splendor, and the people of this place consider Lord Kurmurti as their favorite deity. Objectives of the study: to know the significance of Kurmurti fair, to bring awareness among the students about culture and tradition, to understand the efforts of various organizations in conducting fair, to know the more details about ancient temples in Telangana state. Continued by Akshita.
We have listed Kurmurti temple along with our students to collect the information from the prices of temple. Even we meet some senior citizens lived in different villages around Kurmurti. Kurmurti also gathered information. The Telangana people celebrate this festival for 7 days. The festival celebrated at the oldest temple of Telangana, Sri Kurmurti Swami Temple. This festival is for Lord Vishnu's deity, and the Srivari Uddhava Seva is institutional to the Brahmotsavalus. In this celebration, the footwear of Lord is presented Kurmurti Swami. Kurmurti Swami in the presence of thousands of devotees.
His specialty. The Lord Venkateshwara Swami is called Kurmurti and Kurmana here. The Lord is self-manufactured Swayambhu with his wife goddess Padmavati. The temple is also referred as Poor People's Tirupati, as this temple has similarly features to Tirupati. This temple is also referred as the second Tirupati and the Palamuru Tirupati. Similarities between the Tirupati and the Kurmurti. Similarity to Tirupati, here to the temples is situated on the 7 hills, and there is the Alipiri Mandapam in Tirupati, while Kurmurti Tirupati has Udapala Mandapam, even where the Lord can be seen in standing posture. Even here we can see the Sripada Chahanam symbol on the steps which leads to the temple. Next topic is Roberts.
Kurmurti Swami temple is referred as Poor People's Tirupati. There is no discrimination here because in olden days they were believed that God has came here by himself with Tirupati. In those days Tirupati was hard to travel, and they seen that when people has hard to travel, so they believed that Kurmurti has came here, and they believed that Vishnu Swami and the Venkateshwara has came here. So that later on the peoples believed that Tirupati, the god who is the Venkateshwara Swami, came here. So they believed that the Tirupati of Pur is known as Kurmurti. Conclusion. The aim of the study is not to bring the awareness of the study of Tirupati or temples or etc. It is main referred that aware of the students of ancient temples in India and locality. In our nation there are a lot of temples recognized only by localities. Not as they believe that national level there is no recognition for them. If students start believing in ethics and spiritual values, we can see a lot of temples like this, which we give us a lot of information about ethics, culture and historical temples. Thank you.